In this exercise, we will create a new Openroads Conceptstation file. Ensure you are signed into Connection Client. On the Windows toolbar, search Connection Client. I can see here that I am signed into Connection Client. Launch Openroads Conceptstation. In the File Selection Manager, create a new file. Change the file name to Charlotte Pipe. This will be the file that will be utilized and built upon throughout this manual. For the file location, create a folder named Charlotte Pipe within the recommended folder path. All supplemental files generated through Conceptstation will be in this folder. The seed file used should be the imperial seed that was replaced on the C drive in the previous exercise. If under the seed file path it displays system seed will be used, leave the linkage as is. It should link to the correct imperial seed. Before we can select the coordinate system, we need to define the concept location using the search toolbar, which will update the available coordinate system options in that area. For the exercises in this manual, we will be developing a project along Charlotte Pike using most of the tools within Conceptstation. You should be able to type in any location near the project site to reach the relevant area. The search bar makes it easier to zoom in to the project area in comparison to scrolling or panning. Key in Cedar Crest, Nashville into the search toolbar and then select it. Zoom to see the entire Charlotte Pike corridor from Old Hickory Boulevard to White Bridge Pike. Let's define the concept location. Left-click on the irregular shape icon to initiate the tool, and then move the cursor in the direction of the line. Left-click at each corner point to create the shape around the extent of the project location. Your project extent does not need to match mine. If necessary, click on the trash can icon to delete the project extent and redraw. Now we can define the coordinate system. Scroll through the coordinate system list and select TN83 2011F-NSRS11, NAD83 2011, Tennessee State Plain Zone US Foot. Every Tennessee project should utilize this coordinate system. Click Create. The context data import window should automatically open. The context data import window is used to import terrain, raster imagery, and other data into the project. This data can come from local files or from an online geocoordination service that is accessed through the Connection Client. This data does not have to be imported when the project is first created. It can be imported later by using the Backstage menu. We will cover the context data import options in the next chapter, as there are a few different workflows that can be applied based on what data the user already has. Click Skip for now. This will create a blank new file without georeferenced data. That concludes the exercise on creating a new file in Conceptstation.